Hey everyone, so I know that I know that I've been making videos. Well, that's because I don't have any video ideas, and like, I don't know, like, I don't want to make videos and people be like, I don't want to watch this, you know, cause then it's just like making videos for nothing. So I want to know what you guys want to listen or watch, you know. So yeah, so I'm almost to 430 subscribers, which I'm really excited about. I'm gonna do my first makeup tutorial ever, and you might be thinking, Fallon, this is a makeup guru channel. Why haven't you done a makeup tutorial before? I mean, I have, but it's just, you know, well, I don't know. It's not, I don't know, like, beauty videos don't really, like, make me, like, I really don't want to do them anymore. And I really don't know why. I just stopped, but I need to start doing them. Do them. So I had cheerleading, and I wanted to do a video on what I wear makeup-wise to cheerleading. So like a tutorial. So this is what I'm wearing to cheerleading. I just have my hair in a ponytail, a little poof, pink and black polka dot bow, my t-shirt, and then some black Nike short things, and then it looks like more like red on camera, but it's more like watermelon-y color, and that's from Target. I love their bras. They're sports bras, and then a regular bra. I'm not gonna show you that. That's just odd. Okay, and real quick, I want to give a shout out to, I'm not gonna say like they're both of them. There's two people I need to give a shout out to. One, her name is Terry. Yeah. And she requested this, so thank you. I have a Facebook, so y'all can interact with me, and I talk to everybody on Facebook. And my username is Fallon Love, because it wouldn't let me do Fallon Cutie Access stuff, so it's just Fallon Love, and it's not like a like page, so we can chat, like, you know. And then her name is Nicole, and she's all the way from Germany. Germany? England. Germany. No. Okay, she's all the way from England, and I think that's really cool to have somebody who's watching all the way from England. So yeah, I just wanted to give a shout out to you too. Yeah, so let's get started. And I'm gonna first start off with my Fit Me makeup. I love, it's amazing. And I'm in 120. And I'm going to just take my fingers, and I use it, and sometimes I use a foundation brush, sometimes I don't even bother. It all depends on how I'm feeling that day. And I put some on the back of my hand. Got a mirror. Hopefully you can see. My fingers are clean, or my hands are clean. I don't really use concealer all that much, only if I have like a pimple or something, which I don't, so I don't really use concealer all that often, because I really don't need it. Sorry, I need to put my computer in front of me. And the thing I do like about this Fit Me stuff is that it's really light. So, because like I really don't need too much coverage. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's it. And then I have excess. Yeah. Okay. So now that we have that, I differ in powders, but right now I'm using the Almay, I wonder if it'll focus, the Almay Wake Up powder. You love it. And this is like the coolest powder ever. I'm using this big brush, big purple brush. It's cool because it feels like there's like it's wet. I mean, it's really not, but it's cool. Make sure to get your neck. and all those good things. Okay. So now we've done that, I'm weird. I don't do my blush until after I do my eyes, so we're going to go into our eyes. Okay, so to, just to put base on, I mean, I'm not really, Too Faced Shadow Insurance, it depends on how I'm feeling that day, honestly. Right now I'm using Paint Pot, my MAC Paint Pot and Painterly. And I'm just going to put that all over my eye lid. And after I finish doing it all, I'll get closer to the camera so you can see the full effects of my face. Okay, now we're going to go into eyeshadow. I'm going to take my little Steal It It Girl palette and take Kitten, and because I've lost my actual just the Kitten eyeshadow, I think it's somewhere in my stepdad's truck. I'm not positive, but I'm just going to take Kitten. Everybody's seen what that looks like right there. Sorry. Okay. So we're just going to put that all over our lid. Okay. Okay, so now that we've got that done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my MAC pigment. This is from the Wonder Woman collection. Isn't that pretty? It's not focusing very well, which it needs to be focusing. Anyway, this is from the Wonder Woman collection, and this is in Reflex Bronze. And it's really, really pretty. And it's like a glitter, but like a pigment, and it's really cool, and I think it's amazing. So I'm just gonna get an all over brush. This is from Essence of Beauty. I love their stuff. So my method was this is not to rub, it's just to like pat on. And it's kind of subtle. It depends. Like, you can build it up or you can build it down, but really doesn't matter. But right now, I'm just it's kind of very light. And it also, like, depends on what kind of base or primer you use for your eyes and what kind of eyeshadow is under it. Okay. So I'm just going to clean it up. Okay, so there's a lot of fallout with this product. Why? I think it's just because it's a glitter. So there's a lot of fallout. So what I'm just going to do, is I'm just going to take my powder brush again. I'm not putting any powder on, I'm just going to do that. Okay. Oh, okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I lightly, like, I'm gonna get closer, maybe if... Sorry. Okay. I'm gonna take this NYX eyeliner in taupe. And I fill in my eyebrows lightly, because I don't really need them to be filled in that much, but I do fill them in. Lightly. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Sephora eyeliner, which you got if you are a beauty insider. You got this for your birthday last year for 2010. And I've never used this. I mean, I've like swatched it, but it's in nano. I'm just going to put it, pass out. And my inner tear duct, it kind of just brightens up my eyes. Sorry, I dropped the cap. Okay, now I'm going to take my Elf eyeliner. This is glittery, so it's amazing. And I'm just going to lightly put that on my waterline. Like so. Okay, now we're going to take mascara. The mascara I've been using lately is the Day to Night Rimmel one. Usually I like layer them, but I don't know. I don't feel like it right now. So I'm going to use the length first. It's just like the MAC Hot Naughty Lash, and if you have it, I advise you stop this, pause this video. Pause it, and go get this. It's amazing. So I'm just going to put this on my eyeballs. Oops. Let's try not to get in the eyebrows. Oh, do you see that? Do you see what I just did? Okay, now that you've got that, get the black off that you just put on your face. Okay, and get the volume Fallon, which is more like a very, very big brush. It's kind of like the Bad Gal Lash brush, or like any brush that's big. And you're just going to put that on. And try not to get anywhere else, like I'm failing to do. Okay, now I'm just going to do the bottom ones. Alright, so yeah, that's what I do with my eyes. So, if you can see that, hopefully, my long eyelashes, which I love. Oh my god, I love my eyelashes. Close. Okay, now we're going to do our blush real quick. I usually use NARS Orgasm, but I can't find it in my makeup collection right now, so I'm just going to use this one, and it's really pretty for the spring and summer. It's from the Back to the Beach collection from last year. It's in Hypnus. It's pretty, pretty coral. Okay, now I'm going to take Maybelline Pink Please lipstick, which is one of my favorite lipsticks ever. I love it. And then a Beauty Rush lip gloss, and this is in Cupquake, I think. But there you go. So this is my full cheerleading makeup. Usually what I wear to cheerleading if I don't go to school that day or something. Because if we do, then I'll just like touch it up before I go to cheerleading. If I go to school before. So nothing very much, but yeah. Full views. And yeah. So I really hope you enjoyed. I'm really sorry that I haven't been making videos. Just give me some ideas down below. Come rate and subscribe. The whole deal. And I really love you all. Bye. Bye.